Joshua Weissman, An Unapologetic Cookbook. How can you know if something is your favorite if 50 to 80% of the stuff you've been eating was made by someone else? Butter, condiments, cheese, pickles, patties, and buns. For a superior and potentially even life-changing experience, you can, and should, to be honest, make these from scratch. Create the building blocks necessary to make the greatest meal of your life. With no regrets, excuses, or apologies, Joshua Weissman will instruct you how, with his irreverent humor, a little bit of light razzing, and over 100 perfectly delectable recipes. If you love to host and entertain, if you like a good project, if you crave control of your food, if fast food or the frozen aisle or the super fast, super easy cookbook keep letting your taste buds down, then Joshua Weissman, An Unapologetic Cookbook is your ideal kitchen companion. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.